Adding items. You learned earlier that an array of string values has the type string inside of square brackets, so it's an array of strings. Remember from the instances playground that a type followed by parentheses is how you create an instance of that type. To create a mutable empty array that will hold strings, do this. So on line 8, we have var list gets an array, so these square brackets, of strings, and then the parentheses to create a list of string type. All right. Once you've created the array, there are several ways to add items to it. You can add a single item using the append instance method. So list.append banana. So my list is no longer empty, it has banana. You can add an item at a specific index using the insert instance method. As with everywhere you use an index, it has to be within the array or the program will crash. So this index has to be within however long the array is. So right now the array only has 0, so that would have to be 0. So 0 is the index of the first item. So list.insert, I'm inserting the string kumquat, comma, at, colon, the index of 0. So kumquat is going to come before banana. Append will insert it at the end. You can append a whole array of items using the compound assignment operator, plus equals. So list plus equals strawberry, plum, watermelon. So those are added to the end, appended to the end of the list. Experiment. Practice adding to the list using each of the 3 methods. Which do you prefer? When might you want to use each one? So first we are going to append something to the end, and then that takes a new element, which is a string, and let's append kiwi. So if we open that, kiwi is right there at the end. Then we are going to insert list.insert a new string, which let's make that tomato, because tomatoes are fruits, at, and let's make this the second item on the list, so the index of 1. So when I open this, it says kumquat, tomato, there it is second, banana, strawberry, plum, watermelon, kiwi. It bumps everything else down. And then we are going to append an array of items. So list plus equals, and then these square brackets. And let's just go with some citrus fruit here. Oranges, limes, and grapefruit. So when I look at this list, after it works, we can see over here it's kumquat, tomato, banana, strawberry, plum, watermelon, kiwi, oranges. It's not liking limes at the moment for some reason. Regardless, all of these list methods are abstractions for a series of instructions for doing useful tasks, following Swift syntax rules. Now move on to find out how to remove items from an array.